If you've ever tried trimming high tree branches without the right tools, you know how frustrating it can be. A good pole saw can save you time, effort, and maybe even a trip to the chiropractor. But with so many options on the market, how do you know which one's right for you? Well, today we're breaking down the top 5 best pole saws to help you make the perfect choice. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a pro landscaper, we've got something for everyone. Stick around because our number 1 pick is a powerhouse you don't want to miss. Let's kick things off with the Wen, taking the 5th spot on our list. This is an affordable, lightweight pole saw perfect for light-duty work around the yard. If you're looking for something to handle small branches without breaking the bank, this could be your match. Now, the Wen has a compact 8-inch bar, which is great for smaller trees and shrubs. Plus, it weighs just over 7 pounds, making it one of the lightest options on the market. The telescoping pole extends to just over 7 feet, giving you a decent 12-foot reach when combined with your height. And let's not forget the automatic oiling system, which keeps the chain running smoothly with minimal effort. But here's the catch, it's a corded model. That means you'll need an outdoor extension cord and access to an outlet, which can limit mobility. And with its 6-amp motor, it might struggle with thicker branches compared to more powerful models. The Wen is best for casual homeowners who don't need professional-grade power. It's lightweight, easy to use, and budget-friendly, ideal for light trimming jobs. But if you need more power or freedom of movement, stay tuned for the next options. Coming in at number 4 is the Scots, an upgrade from the Wen for those who need a bit more power and reach. With its 10-inch bar and an 8-amp motor, this corded pole saw is great for cutting through slightly thicker branches. What really sets it apart is its adjustable cutting head, which has 5 positions to help you get the perfect angle. Whether you're trimming horizontally or tackling those awkward, hard-to-reach spots, this saw gives you added flexibility. It also has an automatic oiling system with a visible oil level, so maintenance is quick and simple. Now, like the Wen, the Scots is corded, so you'll need to stay near a power source. And while the added reach and power are great, you'll want to pair it with a long extension cord if you're working in a large yard. This is a solid option for homeowners with medium-sized trees and tougher cutting needs. It's affordable, powerful, and versatile, just know you'll have to deal with the cord. In 3rd place, we've got the DEWALT, the first cordless pole saw on our list. If you're tired of dealing with cords, this tool gives you the freedom to move around your yard without limitations. This saw features a 20V brushless motor providing efficient power and long-lasting performance. With a 10-foot pole and a combined reach of up to 15 feet, you can easily trim higher branches. Plus, it comes with handy features like an automatic oiling system and a durable metal bucking strip for steady cutting. The downside? The DEWALT doesn't come with a battery or charger, so you'll need to factor those into the price. And while the 8-inch bar is perfect for small to medium branches, it might fall short on heavier duty tasks. This saw is perfect for homeowners who already own DEWALT tools and batteries. It's lightweight, cordless, and gets the job done for most yard tasks. But if you want even more power and versatility, keep watching. Taking the 2nd spot is the SKIL, a cordless pole saw designed for serious performance. If you're looking for a battery-powered tool that balances power, versatility, and convenience, this one has a lot to offer. With a 40V brushless motor, the SKIL delivers impressive cutting power while maintaining energy efficiency. The 10-inch bar gives you more reach for thicker branches compared to the DEWALT, and the aluminum telescoping shaft extends up to 10 feet, allowing a combined overhead reach of 15 feet. One standout feature is its angled bar and chain design, which helps with precision cutting in hard-to-reach areas. Another thing we love is the fast-charging battery system. With the included auto-power jump charger, you can get up to 30% charge in just 15 minutes. That's a lifesaver if you forget to charge it ahead of time. On the downside, like most cordless tools, battery life can be a limiting factor, especially for larger jobs. You might need a spare battery for extended tasks. The SKIL is an excellent choice for homeowners and even semi-professionals who want cordless freedom without sacrificing power. Its efficient motor, angled bar, and quick charging system make it a reliable option. But for the ultimate in power and performance, let's move on to our number 1 pick. And finally, taking the crown as our top pick is the Echo X Series PPT2620, a professional-grade gas-powered pole saw that stands out for its raw power and durability. If you're serious about tackling big jobs or working on a professional level, this is the tool for you. The Echo X Series features a robust 25.4cc 2-stroke engine, delivering unmatched cutting performance for even the thickest branches. Its 12-inch bar is the largest on our list, making quick work of heavy-duty tasks. The telescoping pole extends from 9 to 12.1 feet, giving you plenty of reach for high branches. Add in an ergonomic loop handle and a 2-stage air filtration system, and you've got a tool built for both performance and long-term use. However, with all that power comes a trade-off: weight. At 17.4 pounds, this is the heaviest saw on the list, which could lead to fatigue during extended use. It's also one of the more expensive options, but for good reason. This saw is designed to handle serious workloads. The Echo X Series PPT 2620 is ideal for professionals, landscapers, and anyone with large properties or heavy-duty cutting needs. If you're looking for the ultimate in power and reliability, this saw is worth every penny. So there you have it, the top 5 pole saws ranked from light-duty to heavy-duty champs. If you're ready to upgrade your yard game, check out the links in the description to see the latest prices and deals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews, and let us know in the comments which pole saw you're picking up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.